If you're looking to understand Investing.com's new Warren AI and what it can do for your business, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. This just released AI software is making waves, and today we're diving into everything that sets it apart. Trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end, as I'll be revealing some key insights that might just change the way you approach digital marketing. First off, Warren AI is designed to help businesses leverage artificial intelligence to streamline processes, boost efficiency, and maximize profits. This isn't just another tool, it's a game changer. The software is tailor-made for those who want to automate tasks that typically take up a lot of time and resources, like data analysis, customer insights, and even personalized marketing. What makes Warren AI stand out is its ease of use. If you've been using AI tools before, you know the learning curve can be steep. Warren AI, however, was built to be intuitive from the get-go, making it an excellent choice for both newcomers and seasoned pros. Even if you're not super tech-savvy, you can still dive in and get results quickly. A huge benefit of Warren AI is its advanced predictive analytics. This is not just your standard number crunching. It looks at historical data and forecast trends to give you actionable insights. Imagine knowing where your business is headed before it even gets there. Warren AI's forecasting abilities can help you make smarter decisions, saving both time and money. Another thing that stands out about Warren AI is its personalized approach. It doesn't take a one-size-fits-all strategy. It tailors its solutions to your business's unique needs, whether you're in e-commerce, real estate, or digital marketing. This customizability ensures you get the most out of your investment, as it adapts to your specific goals and challenges. Then there's its integration capabilities. Warren AI doesn't just sit in a silo. It can easily integrate with existing software, whether it's CRM systems, email marketing tools, or even your social media platforms. This means you don't need to worry about transferring data or switching up your whole system. Everything works together seamlessly. Now let's talk about cost. A lot of people wonder if investing in AI is worth it, especially when you factor in the price tag. Warren AI offers a free trial, so you can get a taste of what it offers without committing to a full purchase. This is an excellent way to evaluate whether it fits into your business strategy, and with its advanced features and efficiency improvements, the ROI can be significant. A critical feature of Warren AI is its continuous updates. Unlike some tools that remain static after launch, this software keeps evolving. They're constantly adding new features, improving performance, and refining its capabilities to stay ahead of the curve. That means you're not just buying a one-time tool, you're investing in something that will continue to grow and improve alongside your business. Finally, one of the most significant advantages of Warren AI is the community and support. When you invest in this tool, you're not just getting the software, you're gaining access to a community of like-minded professionals and experts. Their support team is readily available, and there's a wealth of resources to help you make the most of Warren AI. You're not alone in this journey. To wrap it up, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, Warren AI is definitely something to check out. Remember, you can try it for free by using the first link below, so there's no risk in testing it out. And if you want even more powerful AI tools, I've listed my top recommended software in the description. After testing thousands of options, these are the ones I trust to deliver real results. Check them out and get started today.